Today I'm going to teach you how to install Template Kit Import in WordPress. This plugin is essential if you want to easily import pre-designed templates into your WordPress site, making the design process much faster and more efficient. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Simply open your web browser, type in your website's URL followed by /wp-admin, and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Now that you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll find various menu options. Navigate to Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several options. From this submenu, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install any plugin available in the WordPress repository, giving you access to thousands of tools to enhance your website's functionality. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar in the top right corner. This is where you'll type in the name of the plugin you're looking for. Go ahead and search for Template Kit Import. As you type, WordPress will automatically start showing you matching results, making it easy to find exactly what you need. After you've searched, you should see Template Kit Import appear in the results. It's usually displayed with its name, a brief description, and the number of active installations. Look for the Install Now button right next to it. Click Install Now and WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin to your site. This process typically takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice the Install Now button transforms into an Activate button. This is the final step you need to take. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Activating the plugin makes all its features available for you to use immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully installed an activated Template Kit Import on your WordPress website. You can now start importing beautiful, professionally designed templates to enhance your site's appearance and functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.